Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and the amount of things that are showing up from different users on the first Patch Tuesday of January is accumulating. Now, gamers have noticed that after you install the Patch Tuesday update of January, which has the KB number 5074109 in Windows 11, brings a host of gaming issues. Now, before the gaming issues, some have noticed that when you actually start your PC, it takes multiple seconds, some say up to a minute, where you're in a black screen with a mouse pointer in the center, and you just got to wait before the desktop and the wallpaper appears in the taskbar. But the Nvidia decided to start investigating because multiple users have started saying that when they play games, weird things are happening. And some is saying that, for example, quite a few of the comments are people playing Forza Horizon 5. When they play, there's these weird shadows and artifacts appearing in the gameplay. Many games apparently lost 10, 20 frames per second in their gameplay, and some have lost enough that it's actually noticeable that the game is slow. Also, lots of games are starting up with a black screen before the game itself starts. And many have said that the problems go away if you want to install the Patch Tuesday updates of January. So Nvidia said, look, it's after a Windows update. It should be Microsoft that should be investigating what's happening there, but we will investigate on our side too what's happening. So this is for Nvidia graphics GPU users. There's a lot out there, and so a host of problems are happening. So we'll see what happens next. Either Nvidia will actually release a quick fix, or Microsoft will fix it in a bug fix maybe next month. So we'll see what happens with that. But if it is something that's plaguing you a lot, what many users say they have done is to uninstall the update, and they're waiting for that to be fixed. So if you see all of those weird artifacts in games, if you see black screens that take a long time with stuck with a mouse pointer in the middle, stuff like that, you're not alone. It seems that all of that started after the Patch Tuesday update for January 2026. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.